Hey everybody, this little video to show you a comms kit I put together. This is like a family handout kit. Got the idea from Radio Made Easy, who I bought a lot of the components from. They also did the programming. This is an inexpensive bag that was on Amazon. I'll put a link to it, as well as this little bag. This little bag here holds the radio. Kind of show you how I have this all set up. So this is a little radio pouch. This is a Baofeng with the exoskeleton, a BNC adapter, a signal stick with the quick connect. I also have a little stubby connector, or excuse me, stubby antenna that I can connect as well. Like if I need a little more low profile situation. This is the USB charger that plugs into the extended battery. Now I prefer the SOE radio pouch, but again, this is a handout. So it went a little less expensive. You just can't beat the quality of the SOE stuff. This little package here, what it does is holds everything. I also keep the little 10,000 milliamp lithium battery with the plug. That way I can charge the Baofeng battery. Little field kit here. Next thing I got, this is a J-pole antenna that quick connects with the BNC adapter. So this is also this J-pole, signal stick, the BNC adapter, the exoskeleton, the radio, the extended battery, the charger. This is all sold by my buddy over at Radio Made Easy, who helped me put all this stuff together. And they sell the custom throw weights with the Cordura to help get this J-pole antenna up. You want some paracord, you attach it to the throw weight, attach it to the end of the antenna. That way you can throw it up in a tree and get it high up. And it just unrolls. And again, quick connects on one end, throw the other end up as high as you can get it, because these radios are line of sight. The cool thing is that my buddies over at Radio Made Easy, they actually custom program these radios. And yeah, there's, you know, YouTube videos and stuff out there how to do it, but for what they charge, there's no learning curve. You just send them your zip code and they program it with emergency weather stations, GMRS, which you do not need to take a test to get a license for. That's definitely the gateway to amateur radio. They'll also program it with all the ham repeaters in your area. And the good thing is when doing that under any emergency, you don't have to have a license to transmit. So this is a perfect emergency setup. Also keep a little spare USB multi-prong charger cable in there. This is a little push-to-talk mic. And one more product that I'm not too sure about yet, but I'm trying out. I'm putting it in these little kits. It's a push-to-talk right here that plugs into the radio, and this will plug into your electronic ear pro. That way you can use it as like a you know, mobile comm for shoot, move, and communicate. So this bag here is an Amazon purchase. This is an Amazon purchase. This little bag's an Amazon purchase. I'll try to link everything below. Any decent 10,000 milliamp or larger battery bank, power cord. You can get that anywhere. The rest of this stuff here, they have a better stubby antenna, but the rest of the stuff here you can get from radiomadeeasy.com. These antennas are super cool. The exoskeleton, the extended battery. And you know, some people will look and say, well, I can get a Baofeng for $25 on Amazon. Yeah, that's correct, but what they've done is they've figured out how to lock these out to where it's harder to program. Radio Made Easy takes care of all that for you. And if you already have radios and you need extended batteries with chargers, or you need a better quick disconnect antenna, or some kind of field expedient kit where you can get an antenna high up in a tree or something, give them a check out at radiomadeeasy.com and put you a little kit together like this for yourself and your family. Because you never know what's going to happen if you have a little bit of a blackout. I think we just experienced Verizon had a blackout in some areas with cell phone signal. So anyway, check it out. I'll try to link everything I can below. Go follow Radio Made Easy, and I appreciate everything. You guys take care. See you next time.